Hi guys, in another video. I'm making my own interceptor, and I can't make it without you guys, so let's... this is the backflap. They're going crazy. We're going to do this side flap now. Boink. Boink. I was feeling lonely without you guys. So that's cool. Is that cool, guys? Maybe yes. Ding ding ding. Is it like this? Yeah, it is. Oh, hi, Kuya. Saan? Tingin. There's no one. How do I go to the register? Anyways. Yeah, we should do the front flap. That's pretty cool. Yeah, maybe I'll do it one time. Boom. Cheese. Added the row guard because. Oh, I'm stuck. Bonk, bonk, nope, button. Oh, no. Oh, meaning it's. So the meaning is. It's also. Goes. Wow. Instant lag. Hey buddy, I gotta fix it. Hey. Hello? Hello? Dude, what happened? Alright, you know what? Are we gonna... Did that happen? Yeah, it did. Look. Okay. Fixing it now. No accidental kicks. Alright. Who's this guy? No. Not yet. No. I'm not testing him. I'm going for the bed. Bed. Get out! What's this? Get out! Hello. Huh?
What's up, mga kapara?
Hey. Who is that? Here is this. Activate. Alright, let's do this now. Stop. It's time not to stop. It's not the time to yap. Everything is zero except for this. Wait a minute. Get out. Okay. Think this would work. That doesn't look It doesn't look good. Yeah, it doesn't look good. Dun 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 dun. Yes, a needle. Hey, dude, this is so good. My interceptor is doing good. We should do a part 2. Hold up, and I'll do the part 2. See ya.